Get all the speed and ergonomic advantages that contractors demand in a brushless impact driver, but with less noise. Introducing the 18-volt Lithium-Ion Oil Impulse Brushless Cordless 3-speed impact driver. It features oil impulse technology, which utilizes oil viscosity to hydraulically drive the impact mechanism for less noise. You also get precise fastening control with 3-speed settings and Makita's exclusive Quick Shift Mode selector. Quick Shift Mode reduces rotation and impact speed prior to driving a screw into place and is engineered to minimize screw thread stripping, breakage, and damage to the workpiece. It features an efficient brushless motor engineered for longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. For increased durability, the XST01M features Extreme Protection Technology, XPT, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge time in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. The tool is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.